Now that I take my old manicure off, that was French to it all. I'm gonna do a non-French on my slightly short nails, and these are the two colors I'm going to do. I'm gonna do one hand with this, an accent of this, other hand this, accent of this. And it's gonna be all Holo taco except for top coat and base coat. So I'm just getting my old one off, and then we'll get into getting this nice bad boy on a little sparkle and some non-sparkle. As you can see, I'm wearing that burnt red of a brick red, so I thought, let's wear that today. Well, of course, my hair's always that brick red color of it all, so let's do it. Even more so than usual. And finally be moving, but still not doing anything too complicated on my nails. So I'm still gonna do simple, 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 but fun simple. So with the fun simple, we got the colors to put on these bad boys. Short, little long. To the first color of it all. Like I've said. Now to this nice purple sparkle of an accent nail for my left hand. And of course, I gotta put another coat on to really show that color, because 2 coats is good. And then I started to add a little bit of a gemmy gem. I'm doing it on the accent nail, the one that is the one difference of each hand. So I am putting this gem that I found. I thought this would look nice, even if it kind of blends in with this color, like on the other hand, which is a red accent nail. And I happened to find a couple of these white ones, and I thought a little white one like that on top would look nice. So now I just got to hold it all in, and as there was a little too much of the top coat, I went like that, and then I went back after taking some of it off and finished it. And of course, I got to really get some top coat on the gemmed up nail as well to hold them in, as I am holding them in with the glue as well. Whoops. But that looks nice in all its glory of the light. Simple, but fun, if I do say so myself. Oh yes, I love this color combination with this nice purple sparkle. That kind of makes me think of the night sky of it. So you put them there. Oh, some of my nails have disappeared. But yes, as always, I did it in my maxi way of doing my nails. And this time I did my accent and the accent on the thumbs. So I did both little things, of course, for each hand and vice versa, you know. And of course, just because I'm doing it simple doesn't mean I can't add gemmy gems. So I added a gem. Happened to have a few loose little white ones, which I thought would be nice above it. Definitely shows a lot more on the red, but I thought I'd only do it on the accent, different colored nail on the 4 fingers of each hand. So that's what I did. So there we go. As I let my nails grow out from the shortness of it. It's nice, simple red, and everything does look nice. I will definitely be getting into more crazy, more out there designs once again. If you have any designs you are interested in, let me know down in the comments below, or any colors that you'd like to see. As you can see, I'm doing more fall kind of funness with these colors. So with all of that in mind, I will see you in the next video. And of course, there's many more of these videos, simple and fixing these nails up and all that awesomeness is. So if you want any of that, simple or not simple, look at the next video that's recommended for you. Well, on that note, till next time, sparkle, sparkle, bam!